Hi, dear children. Very good morning to you. Children, shall we study English now? Okay, very good. What did we learn in previous class? Can you say? One day, the merchant sent Ivan to the forest for what? To fetch some firewood. Then what happened? Soon, a heavy rain started there. Then what did Ivan do? Ivan ran to a soon he ran to shelter for a large tree. Shelter of a large tree. And what did he see there? He saw a big nest on one of the branches, and he saw four small birds there in the nest. And he understood that there was no one to protect them from the wind and rain. And what did Ivan do? Ivan felt pity to them, and he climbed the tree and he covered the little ones with his own clothes. And when the thunderstorm was over, the mother bird came back. What would the mother bird do then? What would the mother bird do then? Can you say, children? The mother bird would thank Ivan, and she wished to do something for him. Listen, children. Take next lesson. Take page number 63. What is the heading, children? Can you read that title of the lesson? Yes, the teaching bird. The teaching bird. Listen, children. The teaching bird. Thank you, Ivan. You protected my little children from cold and rain, and I wish to do something for you. Tell me what I can do for you. Ivan was surprised to see a talking bird. Ivan answered, You know our language. Will you teach me your language? The language of birds. Stay with me for some days, and you shall know it as we do. Ivan remained in the forest for a few days. He learned the language of birds from the mother bird. Ivan returned home happily. Listen, children, what happened? When the mother bird came back, that mother bird gave thanks to Ivan, and the mother bird said, Thank you, Ivan. You protected my little children from cold and rain, and I wish to do something for you. And what did she say? She said that you have protected my little birds from rain and wind, and I like to do something for you, and I will do something for you. Tell me, what can I do for you? You tell what I have to do for you. I will do something for you, and you tell me what you want. I am ready to help you. And tell me what I can do for you. Then I am ready to help you, or I wish to do something for you. You tell me what you want from me. Then Ivan was surprised to see a talking bird. That time, first time he saw that a talking bird, and he was so surprised. Ivan was so surprised, and why he was surprised? Because he saw a talking bird first time. Ivan answered, You know our language. Will you teach me your language? The language of birds. Then what did Ivan say? Ivan answered that, you know our language. He answered to the mother bird that you know our language. Will you teach me? Could you teach me your language, the language of birds to me? നിങ്ങളുടെ ലാംഗ്വേജ്, ഞങ്ങളുടെ ലാംഗ്വേജ് നിനക്കറിയാം, നിങ്ങളുടെ ലാംഗ്വേജ്, ബേർഡ്സിൻ്റെ ലാംഗ്വേജ് എന്നെ ഒന്ന് ടീച്ച് ചെയ്യാമോ, പഠിപ്പിക്കാമോ? Stay with me for some days, and you shall know it as we do. What did the mother bird tell to Ivan? She said that you stay with me for some days, then you will be able to talk our language. I will teach you the language of words. If you stay with me or if you stay with us, I will teach you the language of words. നീ ഞങ്ങളുടെ കൂടെ നിന്നാൽ നിന്നെ ഞങ്ങൾ ബേർഡ്സിൻ്റെ ലാംഗ്വേജ് പഠിപ്പിക്കാം. പക്ഷേ കുറച്ച് ദിവസം you should stay with us for some days. Then you shall know it as we do. Then you will be able to learn language of birds. Ivan remained in the forest for a few days. Then what did Ivan do? He stayed there for a few days. കുറച്ച് ദിവസം അവൻ അവിടെ റിമെയിൻ ചെയ്തു. Ivan remained. Spell out, children. REMAINED. Remained. Language. Do you know the spelling of language? Spell out language. LANGUAGE. One more time. One more time, sir, children. LANGUAGE. Language. Then protected. PROTECTED. Surprised. SURPRISED. Then what did Ivan do? Ivan remained there in the forest for a few days and he learned the language of birds. And he learned the language of birds from mother bird, and he came back from the forest and he returned home very happily. Returned. Spell out. RETURNED. Children, read the lesson 2 or 3 times and learn the difficult words and spelling and write down by side of your notebook new words. Then how many languages do you know? Do you speak with your pets? How? Do you know? How many language do you know? And how many languages you know? You tell, children. And do you speak with your pets? Do you talk or speak with your pets? Then read and study the lesson. Tomorrow I will take next class. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.